welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified from my new videos. And for the world's best subscribers in all of YouTube, hi guys! Hi everybody! I hope you had an amazing Mother's Day weekend. Okay, I spent all of Sunday packing. Yep, that's what I wanted to do. Angela was graceful enough to help me, and we tackled the basement, and we did pretty good actually. I was pretty impressed. So we did really good. Now, before we get into this video, let me fill you in on what happened on Saturday. So Saturday afternoon at exactly 4:30, I was sitting on the couch enjoying a really nice cup of coffee, and I got a text message from the real estate agent, from the people that we were gonna move into their home. And she said, due to financial hardship of the client, that they have decided not to rent out the house and that they are going to move in themselves. Which means I don't have a house to move into. Who would have known that trying to rent is absolutely harder than buying a house? I mean, this is crazy, but it is what it is. I cannot change it. I feel very bad for the people if they are going through financial hardship, and I sympathize with them, and there's nothing I can do except start on the drawing board again. So that's what I'm doing. So Sunday I called a few real estate agents, not much happened. And then today, which is Monday, oh, by the way, happy Monday. I called a few. I'm hoping for one of them. But we shall see. It's all in God's hands and God's timing. I don't know. But we have to, I gotta find somewhere. I really gotta find somewhere. So, okay. If you are new here, or if you're old here, or if you've been with me for a while, I am 100% sure that I've never, ever shown this part of my house. It's my second floor. It's my upstairs. It's where the bedrooms and the bathrooms are. And I've never shown this part. So I only have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs, which you will see in this video. So are you ready? Let's go have a look. And now keep in mind that the guest room is not decorated by any stretch of the imagination. It's just whatever mismatched furniture we had left, I kind of put it in there. And actually the bed in there is my personal old bed when I first got married with my husband. And it's actually a beautiful bed. You'll see it in the video. So I hope you like this video, and let's get started. Okay guys, let's go upstairs and I'll show you. So when you get to the top of the ledge here, there's a painting that hangs here. I like this painting. And then on this ledge here, it's like a decorative ledge. There's a flower arrangement that I actually made last year. And it's really pretty. And then you turn this way, you see the top of the hallway. But there's a little ledge here that I have some decorative vases on. Okay, let's go upstairs in the hallway. So I have this dresser here, and we call this the wall of Angela, but I'll show you that in a second. That's the bathroom door, Angela's bedroom door, and the guest bedroom down in the bottom. And look, oh, and that's my linen closet, so tiny. Guys, I'm gonna show you some stuff. Oh, and this is the view from the top of the hallway. I love this view. You can see the whole downstairs. I love this view. And then you get an idea of how tall the ceilings are. Okay. Here on top of this dresser, I just have some family pictures. It's a nice dresser. I've had it for a long time. Well, let me show you the pictures. So this is what we call the wall of Angela. It's got some cheer pictures of hers. And this is her baptism picture. There's me and my husband. I know I've never shown him. And there's another picture of me and my husband. And just some decorations that I just added, some candle holders and stuff. And that's Angela when she was 3 years old. Isn't she cute? Okay, and there's my bedroom. And then there's another one of these decorative ledges, I guess, whatever you want to call them. I just have another vase and some little mirrors. Actually, I found those mirrors at the dollar store, and I think they're cute. Okay. So there's an overview of the hallway. Okay, so now we're going into my bedroom. So when you walk into my bedroom, you see my bed directly in front of you and this little bench. I did remember that I did do a tour of my bedroom before, and I did do a tour of Angela's bedroom. So I did remember that, but I don't think I've ever shown everything all together. And maybe my bedroom has changed since that tour. Guys, here's the one thing I do not like about this house. None of the bedrooms have hardwired lighting. So I got these like light fixtures that you kind of plug in. And here's another thing I don't like about my bedroom. I have these 2 tiny closets. So I've made do with what I have so far, and I think it's turned out really nice. I just put my big decorative mirror there. And I just got that little decal from, actually it's a Dollar Tree. All right, on this side, I have a dresser and an antique mirror, and there you can see me. This mirror, my grandpa actually made for my grandmother. So yeah, and then there's like my wedding picture and that little stuffed animal there. That's what my husband had given me on my first date. Isn't it cute? So cute. So that's just what I have there, and then some bottles of perfume. Okay. Don't look at this too much because this is a big mess. This is kind of like my desk / makeup / where I do my planning. Like a planner's there and I have makeup there. And maybe I should have cleaned it up, but this was real life. And I really wanted to get this video done. Then I have my big dresser here. I love this dresser. It's got lots of storage, which I need in this house because again, my closets aren't very big. I just have some pictures and, perfume and stuff like that. And yeah, that's really it. And there's just, I think I'm going to spin you around and show you the room. Yeah. Okay, there's the dresser again. So you just get an idea of like where everything's kind of situated. Oh, I want to show you these. See those wall sconces on either side? Oh, and there's a closer view of everything. Guys, you'll have to forgive my editing skills and my videotaping skills because I kind of pieced this together throughout the weekend and to have it ready for you guys for today, for Monday. Okay, I think now we're finally going into my bathroom. Yeah. Oh, and I just have a little Bath & Body Works candle burning there. Okay, let's go into my bathroom. This is actually a jewelry box, guys, and that painting. Okay, so this is my bathroom. It is so basic, but I kind of decorated it to the best of my ability, I guess. I did change the countertops in this house, so you'll see the marble countertop there. And I just added some paintings that I'd found at Home Goods. And it's kind of like got a glam vibe to it, I guess you could say. I love that sign. Wake up, hustle, repeat. That is me. My shower I love. It's a really big, deep shower. And it's got a bench. I'm going to show you the bench. Yeah. Oh, it's deep. Maybe I didn't videotape the bench. But it's a good shower. It's a good size shower. Oh, there's my bench with all my stuff on it. And then I have, sorry for the lighting, guys, but it was really bright this day. It's a 6-foot tub. And of course, Miss Mia hovering around her mother constantly. And that's it, really. There's really not much to it. It's got a double sink. And there's Mia. And this is a great tub. I have to say, I really do love my tub. It's a 6-foot tub, and I am going to miss that about this house. And then there's just like this little artwork I have up there. Okay, so that's the overview of my bathroom. Okay, let's keep going. So this is Angela's bedroom, everybody. Her room I have shown before, and I've mentioned in a few videos that we are going to be changing out her room when we go to the new house because she doesn't like it anymore. It's too girly, she says. It's too feminine. I don't know. She just doesn't like it anymore, but that's fine. She's got these two little shelves there with a whole bunch of girly stuff. And then this is her dresser. She's got a whole bunch of gold stuff and some candles. I actually made those candles. And she's got this little bench sheet, which is really cute. And now I'm noticing her pillows are a big mess, but that's okay. She's got a little vision board here. That little cross that hangs in her room is also made by my grandpa. And there's this like little cheerleader thing that she had with some medals. And she's got a very, very tiny closet also. Okay, here's her bathroom. And this is like the main hallway bathroom, you'd call it, but it's Angela's bathroom. So she's just got a shower right here. And I just put some little decorations up, nothing much. That door is actually a linen closet. And here she's got some girly shoes and some lipstick. I like the artwork. I bought all this artwork, guys, in the bathrooms from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. So just in case if you're wondering where I got all that from. And I also changed the countertop in this bathroom. And that's marble also. And then if you come out into the hallway, I just added these three. These are from Kirkland's, guys. And they're so old. God, they must be really old. And I guess I filmed this the wrong way. There's her bedroom. Okay, here's the guest room. I'm not going to show you much of it. It's just a mismatch of everything. Guys, some of you know this, some of you don't. My dad stays with me. So this is technically my dad's room. Yeah. Sorry, guys. It is my dad's room. Okay, guys. What'd you think? Did you like my downstairs? There's Miss Mia. I know. I need to cut this video short because this dog has been circling around me this entire time that I'm making this video. She wants to go outside or she wants to play. I don't know what she wants to do. She wants to do something. Anyways, I hope you have an amazing Monday. You know how I feel about Mondays. I think Mondays are one of the greatest days of the week. Number one, you get to start fresh. Number two, it's the start of a whole new week. And you never know what happens in 7 days. Then again, you never know what happens in 30 seconds. Life can change so quick. And I am expecting amazing things to happen this week for me. First of all, I'm expecting that I'm going to find an amazing house that we're going to move into, that all my furniture is going to fit into. Because, I got a lot of furniture. Okay, I'm not going to ramble too much. Hope you have an amazing evening with your family and your friends. And I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for sticking around with me this last week. I just really needed some time to figure everything out. And I thought I had, and we're back to the drawing board. But I'm going to try and have a bunch of videos up for you guys. I have some really neat DIYs. And if you've been following along, we're going to do that table real soon. I promise. Let me just find a house and then we will do the table. But I got some other stuff lined up for you guys. So I hope you stick around and I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have an amazing night. Mwah. I love you.